Hello and welcome Internet. Today I'm going to compare my Samsung Evo 250 gig versus my new one, the 500 gig. And that also means that I will be opening them up. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off that sticker. Take off the sticker there, and I'll be right back. Alright, got the sticker off. In one piece this time. You gotta be careful, they actually put some splits in there on each of the corners. I'm guessing that's so nobody can disassemble them without losing their warranty. So, let's go ahead, and here it is. You can definitely tell which one's which. And like I said before in my previous video, this is a T5. I don't know if T5. T5. I'm just gonna, if I remember correctly, the first time I did this one was a bit of a pain. Yep. Right. Alright, now before I show you what's inside of here, I'm going to go ahead and open up my 250 gig so you actually have some comparison between the two. I have not opened this one up. This is the first time. If I remember correctly. That up. And that is the 250 gig SSD. Now let's see how much larger the 500 gig is. Alright. There we go. Right there. Side by side comparison. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you. Now, I did get asked a question on why these are so much short, or the 512 and, or not 512, I'm sorry, 250 gig is not filling up the entire case. Why didn't they make a smaller case? Well, big reason is they can keep the standard sizes and fit multiples of them. Another one is this one right here, this little screw here and here, and I'm about to get into the whole reason in another video, but I just want to do a side-by-side comparison between the two. So, do I dare? Yeah, I do. And there's the back side of it. Quite nice. Quite nice indeed. Now let me get that back just right. I know, it goes right about there, and there we go. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed.